Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the ASX buzzing stocks of the day. Australian shares opened lower on Thursday morning in line with losses in global markets after the US posted weak economic data and hawkish Federal Reserve comments fanned worries of rate hike cycles set to continue. The S&P ASX 200 was 0.1% lower, or 7.3 points, to trade at 7,386.1 points, weighed down by losses across the tech sector. On Wall Street, the major indices dropped by more than 1% each, and in Australia, the biggest losers included energy and mining stocks at the open. While gains were being seen by a mixed bag, including a few retail stocks such as Lovia and also Vicinity, Nanosonics rallied 11.4% to $5.28 apiece after it upgraded its 2023 financial year guidance. Paladin Energy dropped 5.8% to 73.5 cents, and Netwealth fell 7.4% to trade at $12.90 after reporting their quarterly results. Nickel Industries declined 5.4% to $1.06 after announcing it's completed its institutional placement. Let's now take a look at some business news from the morning session. Northern Star Resources opened the session 1.03% lower. The gold miner reported its operational and financial results for the December 2022 quarter, and the quarter performance was in line with expectations, while all three production centres initiated steps to sustainably address the higher cost operating environment. Northern Star maintains its 2023 financial year production and cost guidance. During the quarter, the company continued its $300 million buyback program, which is now 42% complete. Moving on, and BHP opened the session 0.08% lower. The mining giant said in its quarterly report that it remained fatality-free at its operated assets for the fourth consecutive year and continued to deliver reliable operational performance during the quarter. Western Australia Iron Ore achieved record production in the first half of the 2023 financial year. BHP said the production guidance for the 2023 financial year remains unchanged, with Escondida and BHP Mitsubishi Alliance trending to the low end of their respective guidance ranges. During the quarter, BHP entered into an agreement with Oz Minerals to acquire 100% of the copper-focused international miner for a cash price of $28.25 per Oz Minerals share. Also making headlines is Netwealth, which is 7.4% lower at the open. The fintech company said funds under management increased 5% in the December quarter to $14.4 billion, with $400 million of net inflows. Funds under administration jumped 7.4% to $62.4 billion, comprising net inflows of $2.1 billion and positive market movement of $2.2 billion. Netwealth updated its funds under management net inflows guidance for 2023 to $11 billion. Nanosonics, on the other hand, is 11.3% higher. The healthcare technology company provided an update in respect of its first half year for the 2023 financial half year results and revised outlook statements. The company expects to report profit before tax of approximately $11.4 million, compared with $3.3 million in the prior corresponding period. Total revenue for the half year is expected to be approximately $81.6 million, representing an increase of 35% compared with the prior corresponding period. And lastly, Link Group opened the session 0.5% lower today. The company said Harkis Parker has served legal proceedings on Link Fund Solutions on behalf of more than 1,900 different claimants. The group action in England is against Link Fund Solutions Limited in relation to the LF Equity Income Fund, formerly known as the LF Woodford Equity Income Fund. Link Group said it will defend itself against all suggested proceedings. Alright, that's all for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks of the Day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow, but until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.